Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Healthy Hair Diary. I'm Dion, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my moisturising wash day routine at 14 weeks post relaxer. If you're interested in seeing more, please keep watching.
That's good.
So the first thing that I'm going to do is to pre-poo my hair. In this wash day, I'm doing everything I can possible to put some moisture and strength into my new growth and my hair. As I said, I'm 14 weeks post relaxer. I only normally stretch to 12 weeks post. So yep, I need to do everything I can possible to help me with my stretch. For pre-pooing, I will be using the L'Oreal Full Restore conditioner, which is a light protein conditioner, and I will also be sealing that in with extra virgin coconut oil. I apply that to the length of my hair in sections, making sure that it's liberally applied to the length of my hair, including my new growth. And then I will cover that up with a carrier bag and go under the hood dryer. So following sitting under the hood dryer for about 30 to 35 minutes, it's now time to rinse out the conditioner and the oil out of my hair. To shampoo my hair, I'm using my absolute favourite, which is the Cream of Nature Moisturise and Shine, or Moisture and Shine shampoo, which is a sulfate-free shampoo, which I absolutely love and makes my hair so soft and nice and easy to detangle. For every wash day, I shampoo my hair twice. So to deep condition, I am using my favourite Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturising and Softening Conditioner, and I'm mixing in a tablespoon of pure castor oil and also a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil in lavender. So I just mix all of that in, give it a good mix, and then I can apply it to the length of my hair. I've towel dried for probably about 5 minutes, and here I'm just showing you what my new growth looks like now that my hair has been shampooed. And I'm going to apply my deep conditioner mix to the length of my hair and giving a lot of attention to my new growth. So I just go through section by section, applying the conditioner, making sure that my hair is liberally covered and saturated from root to tip. And I'm just going to go through and do that to each section. And once the whole of my hair is covered with conditioner, then what I'm going to do is to cover it with another plastic bag because I've run out of saran wrap and shower caps, and then I'm going to sit under the hood dryer for about 45 minutes. So I've rinsed out the conditioner and I t-shirt dried for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I am going to apply my leave-ins. The first one is the Cream of Nature Strength and Shine Shake to Activate leave-in, which is an absolute favourite of mine, and I've been using this leave-in conditioner for about 5 years or more. So I just spray that liberally all over my hair, making sure that I'm getting to my new growth, and then I will detangle my hair in sections with a wide tooth comb. So now that my hair is fully detangled, I'm just going to go through each section and apply my favourite moisturiser, which is the Root to Tip Triple M Miracle Moisture Milk. I use this as my leave-in conditioner. It really helps throughout the winter to keep my hair nice and moist, and I'm making sure as well that I'm putting some on my new growth to ensure that once I've dried my new growth isn't dry and crispy, and I'm preventing any breakage. So I'm just going to go through each section, apply the hair milk, and then to seal that in, I'm going to be applying the Inecto Coconut Oil Hair Serum, which is a natural product and it's really lightweight, and it's amazing for sealing in the moisture, but also gives me that added slip. So I can then go through with a smaller wide tooth comb and detangle my hair again. So please don't judge me when it comes to my hairdryer. This hairdryer has a cold air setting, and it's just amazing. It's been with me for years. So yeah, sellotape is here to stay if it means that I can use the pick for faster drying. I'm blow drying my hair in sections, and like I said, I'm using cold air, so each section takes slightly longer to dry than if you were using low heat. But it's absolutely worth it because every wash day I can dry my hair without applying heat to my hair. Now that my hair is dry, my new growth is nice and soft, nice and moist, nice and smooth. I am tying my hair back with a satin scrunchie just to the back of my hair, which helps to stretch out any of the new growth remaining. And then I am tying my hair down with a satin scarf just to help my new growth to be laid, especially with my edges. And then that is the end of my wash day.
So that concludes the end of wash day. My hair is nice and moist. It feels nice and strong from my Prepoo. And what I will do later on this evening is to go on and moisturise and seal my hair and also oil my scalp, and then just tie my hair up with a satin scarf and go to bed. And for the duration of the week, I will be keeping my hair regime pretty basic. I will be making sure that I'm moisturising and sealing as and when my hair needs it. I will be oiling my scalp every other night, and other than that, just kind of leaving my hair alone, putting it in low manipulation hairstyles and just leaving it alone. So my next wash day, I will be 15 weeks post relaxer, and I will be doing a medium protein treatment on my hair to prepare my hair for a relaxer touch up the following week at 16 weeks post relaxer. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please leave a comment below. Please do subscribe to see more videos from me, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.